You have completed the Components tab and are ready to start entries in the Raw Materials tab. In this section, you can view or select the information related to serial number, parent item, item number, description, unit of measurement, current stock, ordering pipeline, required quantity, suggested supplier, location, transaction type, document type, store code, and supplier code. You can see that all the information related to raw materials is already populated. You can change the required quantity towards each item as per the requirement. Note that if you click Fetch Raw Material in the Components tab, then the raw material quantity is updated as per the requirements of subcomponent or subassembly listed in the Components tab. To select a supplier, click the search icon. On the pop-up, select a supplier. Alternatively, if you know the supplier code, you can enter the same. Note that this supplier must be present in the master. Check if there is a stock deficit for any of the raw materials listed in the table. Select one or more items in the list. Select a location from the list. Select one of the transaction types, such as purchase order or purchase request. You can see that the transaction type is automatically populated to its default value. Select the required transaction type for the selected items. Select a document type from the list. To select a store, click the search icon. On the pop-up, select a store. The store name is automatically populated. Alternatively, if you know the store code, you can enter the same. Note that this store must be present in the master. To select a supplier, click the search icon. On the pop-up, select a supplier. The supplier name is automatically populated. Alternatively, if you know the supplier code, you can enter the same. Note that this supplier must be present in the master. This completes the raw materials section. You can now submit the Material Requirements Planning document. You have now created a Material Requirements Planning document. All the subsequent transactions are created as draft in their respective transaction pages. You must go to these transactions and submit them.